So this box is from City Beauty. They sent me, they sent me this lip product. I think it's a lip plumper, I'm not sure. So they sent me this little card. Ooh. Hi Natalie, we're so excited for you to try City Lips. We can't wait to hear your thoughts. XO City Beauty, XO Gossip Girl. I've never finished that show because I got bored, but a lot of people like it. I don't know if y'all watched it. Don't give me spoiler alerts, thank you. But you can tell me if it's good, okay? That's all I want to hear, because I probably end up watching it, maybe not, I don't know. Okay, so this is City Beauty. I love their packaging. It's blue, it's gold, it looks like older lady brand. It's not usually the brands I go for, but it still looks pretty nice. So okay, ooh, so they tell you tips and tricks of how to use it, like FAQs. So it's pretty nice. Usually brands don't add FAQs in these cards, so it's pretty cool. Okay, I like their brand already. They care about their customers or people. I don't know if y'all can see. Okay, and this the tips and tricks, the FAQs, that's their social media. So this is a new brand for me. I have never heard of this brand before. I don't think I've seen it before. I think this is not in the drugstore or Ulta or Sephora. Maybe it is, I don't know, but it looks like a new brand. Or I don't know, I can't even remember if it's expensive or not. I didn't do my research. I should have, but I've been doing busy stuff. Okay, boring stuff, adult stuff. Okay, so supposedly this enjoys fuller smoothie. This reduces lip wrinkles, which I do kind of have lip wrinkles. They're like those little fine lines that you have in your lips. Some people have more than others, and the older you get, you're gonna have more, obviously. But I don't really mind because it's part of life. But if you really don't like those lines, get lip filler. I'm just kidding, but lip filler helps you remove those lines, I've noticed. And just as somebody that does it, I don't want to get into detail right now, but because it's gonna take a while to explain. But basically, yeah, that helps. So if you don't want to do lip fillers like me, I don't want to, so you can just use this lip plumper. Supposedly this works. So it also helps get lip volume, so get bigger lips if that's what you want to do with your lips, if you want. So you don't have to. Okay, so and this is long lasting and hydrating. So we'll see, because the lip plumper that I've tried recently from Derma ruined my face and lips. Oh my gosh, I don't know how I survived. I'm kidding, I act like it's so intense, but well, it kind of was. I was like, if this doesn't happen, I'm gonna have to go to the hospital or a doctor. I don't forget. Good thing I didn't. So please be careful when you try lip plumpers. Okay, so this is how the box looks. It looks very sleek, and it doesn't look appealing. It looks boring, to be honest, but I don't care as long as the product works. But yeah, the has a lot of ingredients, and I don't know how I feel about that, because okay, this is in the clear shade. I can't remember if they had color options, but they just sent me this for free. And no, I don't have a discount code, or I'm not getting any commission, or I'm not getting paid. This is just a gifted collab. Okay, so I'm gonna open it. So this is apply generously and wait 2 to 3 minutes before applying lip color. So obviously I can't swatch it right now because I already have lipstick and all of that. So oops, I ripped the box, but I'm still gonna open the box and show you how it looks and all that. So maybe in another video or another day I'll put the clip here like I've been doing recently, because I just been receiving a lot of things recently. Okay, finally. Okay, no, I broke the box and I didn't want to do that. Okay, so yeah, they basically just sent me this lip plumper. That's it. very small unboxing today. So you see it's clear. It kind of looks white and cloudy. I don't know why, but hold my skin, my lips, not skin, reacts big, like, oh, I know, it's kind of scared. So okay, let me smell it. Ooh, it smells like vanilla, like Rice Krispies, but with coconut oil. It smells very good. Like these scents, I just love sweet scents. I used to wear sweet perfume. Like a lot of people don't like sweet perfume that smells like candy or vanilla. They prefer like the fruity smell or like older lady perfume smell, but I like the candy, the sweet. So I can't stop saying it. I just love how it smells. But it's pretty strong. It's not subtle. This you can smell right away. It smells like Rice Krispie, literally, which I want one right now. It's kind of like marshmallow. It smells good. Okay, so I'm gonna swatch a little bit here. So yeah, you can see it's very clear. It's pretty. Oh, and the lip gloss that I just unboxed, look how pigmented it is. That's gonna last you a long time. Well, so far, Hamish, that brand, I'm liking that Korean brand. So okay, that's pretty much it for this lip plumper unboxing, because I can't use a rake over there. But look how my hand swelled up from using the lip plumper. So it plumped my hand. It looks like a burn. Well, that's how my skin reacted. Okay, hi, today I'm finally gonna test on my City Girl Lips lip plumper. So I have no makeup on, nothing. So I'm gonna try and do a before and after picture of my lips, and then my lips after using it, to see if it actually works, you know what I'm saying? And my lips are crusty, and I have like a little blood here because I have dry lips. Okay, that's my before. Very small lips, I know. And not kissable lips, I know, but it's okay. Look. I was gonna say something, but never mind. Let's keep it PG. So let me take a picture first and come back. So I had to put a lip balm because my lips were so dry. It kind of started to bleed, which I didn't want to use before using lip plumper, because I feel like now that it has product, it might work differently. I don't know, but this is how it looks. Small, but I'm saying that to me it looks fine. I just wish this, it kind of evened it out a little, you know what I'm saying? So so that's my before. That I saw on their website that this has been on ABC, like a lot of news platforms, and a lot of people use this. So I feel like even celebrities can use this, or like news anchor, I don't know. A lot of people use this and rave about this, and they say if it doesn't work, you get your money's back guarantee. And I just love the smell so much. It smells so good. Okay, so I'm gonna use it now. So far I don't feel any tingling effect, so that's pretty nice. Oh, my hair's on the way. Okay, I'm just gonna put like that. So it looks pretty nice. Like, to wear it by itself, it looks nice. It looks healthy. The texture or the formula is not thick, but it's not super liquidy. It's like a lightweight. With, I guess, literally what they said, lightweight. It's not thick. It doesn't feel sticky. It doesn't tingle. It feels like nothing. Literally, it feels great. So let's see if it helps my lip lines disappear and gives me volume. So I'm gonna wait for a few minutes with this. Okay, kind of ignore the redness. Some are scarring or recently from my burnt chapped lips anyway, so I can kind of notice that I don't have a lot of fine lines. You can kind of see them more here, but compared whenever I don't use any product at all. Okay, wait, kind of a little something, huh? But not burn. Maybe very, very slight tingle, but then, so this takes a while to react. Usually when I use lip plumpers, I react like this. This one, okay, it's doing the work. You see it? Now it looks more red. It looks like it's plumping. You see? It looks more bigger. It is giving volume. But I don't see anything when it comes to my top lip. It looks the same. More volume top lip. It's because I think I put more here than this side. I don't feel anything on my top lip. Usually when I use lip plumpers, is usually when I feel it is right here in the bottom lip, not so much in the top. But yeah, it makes my lips look more bigger. Okay, yes, now I see. Yeah, it's definitely making my lips look bigger. You see? And a little bit more red and pinky. Wow, look how red it looks now. And pink. So right now I feel it tingling. It's just not severe like the Dermae but I feel like it's doing its work now. So this is strange. This is strange, but it does work. Look. Wow. This is so interesting because it takes 2 to 3 minutes, or I don't know how long, I didn't keep track, for your lips to actually tingle, which is so weird to me. Okay, finally, you see? Now my top lip is doing its work. It's now getting red too, and it's plumping. So alright, so not only, whoa, this is so different. This is so interesting. I don't know if I like it. That's how rare this is. No wonder it came out in the news and TV, because it is different. It is interesting. So wow. Okay. And it also gave me like a little pink lip. It looks like I'm wearing pink lip gloss. Wow. But no, just clear. It actually gives you color as well. Not at the beginning, but wow. So, and be careful, because look, I accidentally put some on top of my lip, and now it's red on top. So it's giving me a weird shape. So when you apply lip plumper, be careful, because then you're gonna be red here, and it's gonna be plump here too, and you don't want to look like, you know, exaggerated, and you don't want that red overline. You just want it in your lips. So something to keep in mind. Wow, look. I don't know if I like it. I kind of do, but then I kind of don't. It's just too much and happening at once that I can't tell like if I like it or not. This is a new experience for me. Does it look healthy? It kind of looks like healthy, like you're hydrated. Definitely you don't have a lot of fine lines. You look like you're wearing lip gloss. So I feel like you don't even have to use any lip product on top like this by itself. You're good to go. Literally, like, this is so pretty. It looks so, it's like the perfect shade of pink for me. It's not too cool, it's not too warm, it's in between. I don't, usually when I wear pink lipsticks, I look washed out, but no, this pink is making me look healthy and normal. and it's wow. Thank you, City Lips. Oh wow, I'm so happy. I think I like the results. I'm not sure though. I just feel like I should apply it more at the top, a little bit more, and less here. I think you can wear lipstick on top. Let me see. Yeah, you can. Wow. So this is, yeah, it takes 2 to 3 minutes before applying lip color. So no wonder also a lot of older ladies I saw were using this. I feel like they're in the reviews. I said, I'm a 45-year-old woman, or I'm a 50, 60-year-old woman, or something like that. And it made my lips look better and X, Y, and Z. I think their lines were not showing, and it's true. Look, my lines are not visible, but it does look like I'm wearing lip filler, which I don't like. Like right here, it looks like I went overboard when I went to the esthetician's office, or whoever does those lip fillers. I don't like that look. It looks so unnatural. I don't like how lip filler looks, to be honest. That's how it's looking with, and I'm just using lip gloss. I mean lip plumper. And this is with no injections, and it looks like I actually went and got an injection, maybe like half a syringe, or no, a little bit less than half a syringe. But damn, this works. Damn, I'm so amazed. This is like the most interesting makeup product I used so far here. Damn. Yeah, definitely check this out, because it does work. It does work. Amazing. Okay, so I guess I'm just gonna end it here. I might put before and after pictures after or here. I don't freaking know, but yeah, that's dope. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay, bye.